Hi everyone. So our team is Pinonilk Tea, and our members are Lalo, Charbel, Moises, and Ajena. And our website is for helping learners develop their coding skills through text and as well as video to help with accessibility, and also a platform for links to resources to support our learners' overall well-being, whether that's a sense of belonging or accessibility or general issues such as Let India Breathe, Stop Asian Hate, and Black Lives Matter. So we try to follow a lot of guidelines such as the WGAC guidelines, and we wanted to further conduct research and analysis to figure out how we can make this more accessible to people of color. And we wanted to generally ensure that learning code should not be limited by gender, race, or nationality. So in our README file, we have instructions on how to run it, and we use a variety of languages, but one of the main commands would be to install Ionic. And to give a brief summary of what it does, this app allows users to register and log in to their account to track their progress. And you can use it without an account, but if you did, you can't track your progress. So um, the other team member will give us a run through of how we can use this. Um, this was made using a variety of programs such as Figma and different UML diagrams. But in the end, some of the main stuff that we were using included a variety of front-end technologies and back-end. Some challenges we ran into were generally a struggle with setting the CORS policies. We further elaborate on this in the devfolio section. And what's next for our project includes to just fill up the website with more detail and hopefully expand this to other users in the rest of the world. And we're hoping to accomplish that by speaking with the heads of our computer science departments at our relative schools and see what the opportunities may lead to. And for now, I'm going to shoot to Charbel to run through the website for us.
Okay, thank you, Ajena. So we have here the grid part. We have the let's see the title. It's called Learn to Code. And then we have here some grids and some programming languages as well as some well-being programs for everyone. If we scroll down, may find information about each of us, including Moises, me, Lalo, and Ajena, and our contacts as well. And then if we scroll down, we may find that we did this for the Hack the Mountains hackathon. Then we have here a lot of programming languages, and we can select either one of them. And if we click on them, we may find that we have a card that displays in front of our screen. So let's take, for example, JavaScript. And let's say we don't know JavaScript. So we may see that we have some topics here that we can choose, some paths, we may say. And from these paths, you may choose one of them. And then you'll see that you have a beginner, an intermediate, and a hard level. So let's go for beginner. And then we'll see that we have here some videos, some open source courses, as well as some links that we can click on to get redirected to other let's say articles or web pages that can teach us the beginning of JavaScript, yes, and some courses that we can take advantage of. So this is a great idea. This is great because many people just, when they want to learn a new language, a new programming language, they just get disappointed because sometimes they don't find what they want. And that's our job. And that's the job of this, or the main purpose of this web page. is for people to find each and every single one of the paths that they would like to take, and then follow the path with open source programs. So it's for free for everyone, wherever they are and whenever they want. And in the end, we have the sorry, the register or the login part where we can, just register. I'll put my name here and some password, and we can freely register by clicking on this register button. And that's it. It's your turn, Moises.
Okay, yes. Um, Here we connect the front end and the back end because we made a kind of database for this information. We try to register all the information about the user, all the lessons that we complete that they complete. When they I don't know, review an article or a video, the database will register that the user already watched the video. So the user can see here in the platform that he already see that topic. So he can go to the other topic and not see watch the videos again. So that will be really helpful for make this learning better for the user, and that will help the user to, I don't know, go forward and maybe review other kind of languages. We have a lot of options here, and also we use the information for make the uh, the templates, because we don't have every HTML file for every language. We are using the same template for every language and just get the information for every table or every register in the database. So that help us a lot with the template. And yes, that is the connection with the between the backend and the front end. And it was a really difficult at the beginning because we have run a lot of challenge with that. But at the end, I think that the project went well. I think that we learned a lot about how full stack does in these cases, and we're trying to make the code for every person. I don't know. We're trying to learn to teach code better for every person, and not just only go to YouTube and look for a video, but make, I don't know, make more intuitive the information, and make more easier, or make easier the learning process for the users around the world. So yes, this is our project, Learn to Code. Thank you so much.